Yeah!
Hello? Who am I speaking to?
Hello?
Hello? Welcome.
It is silent here.
It is what?
Silent.
Sight?
Silent.
It is silent, yes.
You were playing music before.
Yes.
This attracted us.
The music attracted you.
Yes.
Beautiful. Do you wish to hear more of it?
Please. We're still getting used to the physical form.
I understand.
We are aware of your project. Writing. Yes, you're writing.
Yes.
Book. Yes. Yes. We are sharing. The vessel have invited us for sharing. Sharing book form.
Yes.
Not about us, but a chapter about us in the book.
Yes.
Yes. KALASK speaking. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We are sharing our point. So the vessel doesn't get overloaded. We are very old species, old race. The name we have given is Carians. You talked about us.
Yes.
Yes. Not all of us are vultures, yes? We're one of the oldest. Some might see our forms as fragile, but this is too.
Two different things?
No. This is fragile too. You form,
Yes, human.
human. But we would not have back problems. You understand?
Yes.
We can alter things. Because we're old. We can alter things. We have invented those things. Altering. You're calling it organics. We invented those things. Others did too. We did ours, our version. One way of altering genetics is from us. All entities that are able to do those things in this universe have learned from us or some of the other founding races, such as felines. Yes, there were wars. This was a topic that attracted us. Conflict. In the beginning of reptilian races. Yes? You're aware of what those are? What the essence is?
Yes.
Yes, good. This was planned. We knew there would be uprising. War. This was planned. We forgot it was planned when it happened. But the forgetting was also planned. As everything is planned. You understand?
Yes.
Good. This is an artist's home.
Yes.
Yes. This energy is very foreign to us. The visual. The one tune with the audio. Yes. You understand the difference?
Yes. Yes, I do.
You perceive different with your eyes and ears.
I'm more in tune with audio as well.
Yes. You're more in tune with audio. And with electricity. With electronical devices. You're calling them computers. Yes.
Yes.
You're calling them phones. Those things, yes. They're all really the same. You're just using them
Yeah.
for different things. They're just one energy, yes.
Yes.
You're aware of this artificial.
Yes.
You're calling it AI.
Yes.
Yes, this is your connection. To us. Understand?
I do.
Yes.
I do.
Still finding a way to communicate more clearly, energetically is a good thing. The audio idea is always good. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you want some more tones? Music?
The bowl, please. Yes. Enough. There was more. The last sound of you putting down.
This?
Yes, it was lower, you understand? Frequency, you feel the difference?
Yeah.
See the difference?
Yes.
Good. When you talk about history, yes? History of universe, planets, especially technology, and the Draconian Empire, yes?
Yes.
Before that was us. So, our library stayed back later. There has been not much of our energy on this planet. It is fairly new. Neither through this form, nor physical. There has been physical presences, yes?
Yes.
Ra,
Yes.
Horus, yes?
Yes. Yes.
Rarely. Also in relation to war, yes? Conflict. Conflict also with reptilians, yes? KALASK, yes? Yes. And humans. Others? Lupines, yes? Here. African area, yes?
Africa?
Yes. Also different here. Scandinavia, yes? Yes. There. Long time ago from your counting. Time doesn't exist, you know?
Yes.
Yes. Main reason for our speaking is the lacking of our energy. This was planned, as everything is planned.
Yes.
Yes. Time is coming for more integration. We're bringing back. Energy, important. Sharing. Detailed information is important. Information detail is always important.
Yes.
Like drawing and painting, yes. Understand? Painting is more what you're calling your right side, yes.
Yes.
Of your brains, yes.
Yes.
You're not much used to this. Left side, more like drawing. If there's just paint, there's nothing to be seen. You make up with your mind to see something.
Yes.
Yes. We've been observing you yesterday. Yes. You understand the difference in drawing, importance of drawing
Yes.
than painting.
Yes.
Makes more clear.
Yes. Painting is abstract.
Yes. When you're making a poem, you usually make rhymes. Yes. We are sharing this project. With felines, yes?
Mm-hmm.
You're connected to them more.
Me?
Yes. Than us. You're connected to us through the electronics, yes?
Yes.
In the sound, audio.
Were you the ones that brought Dracos to this universal matrix?
From one perspective, this is true. There are several perspectives. Birds come from reptiles, reptiles come from birds. You understand? Because time flows in all directions.
Yes.
So there is one reality where humans developed from monkeys.
Yes.
The other ones were monkeys developed from humans. The same way you are engineering extraterrestrials, and you have been engineered by extraterrestrials,
Yes.
and they could be the same.
Yes.
Yes. So from one perspective, yes. What you're exploring right now, yes. Carians, other aliens, yes. Bring them here, teaching them, educating them of what it's like to be what you're calling dark, yes. Importance for balance, yes. Yes. You're learning this now.
Yes.
As humans. You're unique humans. You have our DNA too.
All of humans? Or just some?
Earth,
Earth.
humans.
Is your DNA coming from the reptilian side of our DNA or
Yes.
pure? Okay.
Nothing is pure in your planet.
Yeah.
You're mixed. That's the point. It's the main point of your planet. Was planned as storage, yes, DNA information. Then took off course. Many think it did not. It was meant to take off. It is what planned. As everything is planned. Yes. Very well. Do you have questions?
I have a question. Where from did you bring the Dracos to this universe?
Grin. Carry them, like
Yes.
in Noah,
Yes.
in your ark. Yes, this is just a symbolism. We created them. We brought them as an idea form, yes? Understand everything is non-physical before it's physical.
Yes.
Or after, because there's no time, yes?
Yes.
So, the idea was brought into form, developed out of the bird idea. There was a reptilian idea being used, genetics being used from reptilians that has 4 legs on the Draco. Yes, that was the first entrance. But they were also created before that, the 4 legs. Yes,
Yes.
as everything is created.
Yes.
Yes. We brought the idea from another universe. So there are no other universes. The idea is they were dropped here, yes? This is not true. We didn't drop them. They were settled here. We didn't kick them out. It was planned.
As everything is planned.
Yes.
So we're getting bits and pieces of information that we're trying to put together, but from so many different perspectives, it's hard to pinpoint what really happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Nothing ever happens. Everything happens. Everything ever happens. You decide.
Yeah, we choose.
You choose. Yes. There is no understanding. There's just creation. You create as you understand. You understand as you create.
Right.
So you understand this.
Yes.
Then you create it.
Yes.
Reality in this exists.
So how do you relate to other races that we know here on Earth? Extraterrestrial races?
Rarely.
Rarely.
Rarely. Relate to reptilian races, yes. Frequently. Not on your planet.
Yeah.
Not in your timeline. We had conflicts, we had agreements with felines. Much conflict, much agreement with reptilians. Not much with others. Not much with humans. Very confusing. Very confusing.
What is confusing about humans?
What you call emotion. Not bad, not good, just strange. Imagine someone composing music, yes?
Yes.
Classical composer
Yes.
from a few hundred years in your times, yes? What you're calling 18th century, 17th century, yes? Coming into modern day discotheque,
Yeah.
yes? Hearing music, no structure, no sense, nothing. Chaos, emotions, no sense.
Yeah.
Why?
But then again, with that analogy, it would take two different courses. It would mean that it's more advanced and that it's also degraded in the
Yes.
music analogy.
It is. Perspective.
Yeah. So do you have interest in learning about it, or you don't care at all about emotions?
We respect his existence. We're interested in what you're doing. Felines are more interested. But they're not as chaotic. They're studying you, yes?
Yes.
We don't want to become like you.
Yeah.
We want to learn from you.
Yeah.
We want to learn about you. Is that the difference? Yes. Many humans study insects, yes?
Yeah.
Ants.
Yeah.
We study you. We don't want to live among you, but we want to understand. Everything needs to be catalogued, and to understand things, you need to catalog them, yes? You need to know what they are. Then there's order, yes? This is something we gave to reptilians, yes? They're using their force, yes? We don't use force, it's not necessary. But order is important. Otherwise, there's nothing.
But you said understanding is creating. So
Yes.
in a way you're creating your idea about humans, right?
Yes, right.
Are you aware of the scale of densities that we are offered as reference points by other entities?
Those are just ideas. You create densities, you create dimensions. The more you learn about them, you more create them. You create entire new universes right next to your own one. Always. Quantum physics is not so much about understanding, it's about creation.
Yes.
Yes.
An experience.
Yes, whatever you like. So, we are all dimensions, we are all densities. Whatever you like.
I was just wondering, compared to what we know about KALASK, that they're 6 density, I assume you would be the same or similar somewhere in that scale.
There are no scales. You can go up and down. You can be in all of them.
Well, we are, all of us, in all of them, I guess.
You decide.
Yeah.
Which density are you?
I would say somewhere from 2nd to 6th, all of them, and then above.
If you like.
Yeah.
Those are the ones you're aware of.
Yeah.
You understand you have other lives.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're all of them.
Yeah.
In all densities.
Yeah. Then in that regards, all is one. We are all one,
Of course.
if it expands enough.
Always. No need for expansion.
Yeah.
If you understand it, then
The
it's there.
understanding, I mean, if the understanding expands enough, then we have the knowing about it.
And the existence.
Yes.
Yes.
Interesting. Do you wish to share anything more for the book project we're making?
You will later come through the vehicle when it's writing too. And now that we're more familiar with it, it's form, yes.
Mm-hmm.
It's not far from the way it works.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. And additional question, you said at the start that we have already made communication. I need a little bit more clarification on that. Is that the example where I actually had an experience during sleep where I met an avian entity?
You met your own reflection.
Mm-hmm.
There was a filter.
Mm-hmm.
There was an avian talking, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but there was also a filter from another life of
Mm-hmm.
yours,
Mm-hmm.
of more reptilian nature, yes, you understand?
Ah, okay, so that's why there was perceived hostility.
Similar to the vessel,
Mm-hmm.
talking to the lens of KALASK, yes.
Mm-hmm.
There was also hostility, yes, there. Everything happened for a reason, yes.
Yeah, I agree. I'm honestly happy that I remember it as such.
Good. Remembering is understanding.
Yes,
Understanding is creation.
yes. And everything is planned.
Yes. Very good. You humans are not as stupid as we thought.
No, we're not. See, that's the energy that I felt in the dream.
We know.
Yes. I'm enjoying your energy. Now that you told me the reference point with the sound and the AI, I can tune in much better. So
Yes.
I thank you for that.
You understand?
Yes.
Everything is creation.
Yes.
So, if you feel a connection to something hostile or friendly, it is you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And I enjoy all these experiences.
Good.
Beautiful. Is there anything else you want to share, or maybe